How to recover TikTok streak. Have you accidentally lost your streak with a friend and want to get it back? In this tutorial, I'll show you the latest methods to recover your TikTok streak. First things first, open your TikTok app and go to the inbox tab and simply go to the chat where you can see the gray streak or gray fire icon. Simply send them text and ask the person to send you the text as well so that your streaks can be get going. As you can see here, it is a gray streak, which means indicates the streak is breakable but can still be restored. You can also find an option that says restore. TikTok allows limited restores, typically 2 to 3 times per month, so use them wisely. Next, let's report a problem to TikTok about it. Simply go to settings and privacy and tap on report a problem. Scroll down until you find an option that says chat with us and simply explain them about your problem with relevant screenshots. While TikTok doesn't have an official streak recovery feature, explaining your situation might help. You can also try to adjust your device's time zone. Go to your device settings, navigate to general and date on time. Here, if it is automatically set, simply turn it off. Manually select a time zone that's a few hours behind your current time. And simply open the chat with your friend and send a message or media to attempt to restore the streak. And that's how you can recover your TikTok streak.